Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to remove car carpet flooring Toyota Vios Gen2. The detailed instructional video. I hope you will like it. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Materials needed, we have long nose pliers, combination wrench 10mm, socket wrench, you have 8mm and 14mm, and T-wrench which is 10mm. For precautionary measures, battery should be disconnected. First things first, remove the rubber mats from the car. Using 8mm wrench, loosen the bolts that mounts the chair. Just repeat this procedure when removing the passenger seat. After you remove the bolts, disconnect the seatbelt warning indicator located under the driver. You may now remove the driver's seat. Just repeat the same procedure. This is the seatbelt warning indicator connector. For the removal of center console, please follow the step-by-step procedure. Is we need to remove these plastic parts on this side and on this side. Use 14mm socket wrench to loosen. These plastic parts, just pull it up. Move the box seat, we need to pull this up in this area and then also in this area. This will be the last part. We need to remove this plastic. This we will use a long nose pliers. This will help us to loosen and the same goes on this side. As you can see, to avoid confusion, I arranged them according to their position inside the car. You may now start removing the carpet. You may start the back. Use 10mm T-wrench. Start removing the carpet on the driver's side. You may now remove the carpet on the passenger side. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. For more videos, you may subscribe on our YouTube channel, Sandy Buddy. Thank you and God bless.